Good morning, all of you. My name is Suprita, and I'm going to teach you Hindi. And we'll do more activities, fun. And my co-teacher, I request Sapna ma'am to introduce yourself.
Alright. Good morning, students. My name is Sadhna. I am your new Hindi teacher, and all the very best for your new academic year. अच्छे से पढ़िए. All the best, students.
Yeah, thank you, Sadhana. Thank you, Sadhana.
Sapna ma'am. Yes. So today we are going to start Hindi session, and we'll go for the basics letters only. So whatever you have doubts, dear, you have to clarify me. So that's why, so that we can clear all your doubts, and we'll go ahead for the lessons next time. Okay. So this is bridge course. This is for you all to learn the letters, basic letters. So today I'm going to give you a nice surprise. Yes. So before that, we will discuss about what is Hindi. Yes, we are going to learn the Hindi language. And what is Hindi? Hindi is one language. In India, there are many languages. So like that, Hindi is also one of the language. And maximum state we use Hindi language. So today we are going to see the first what is the language को हिंदी में भाषा बोलते हैं. What we say for language in Hindi? Bhasha. So there are different languages in many states. We have many states in India, and we are proud to be Indian because we learn many languages like Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, English, many languages with the. So what is language? Language को हिंदी में कहते हैं भाषा. Language is the medium through which we convey the thought of our mind to each other with the help of gestures by reading and writing. Children, whenever you want to say something to someone or you want to show your writing part, what you are showing, what you are speaking, that is called language, which the words, which the letters come from your mouth, that is the language. And if we want to conversation to one person to other person, so that conversation we call oral language. So there are two types of languages. One is oral and the second one is written. So oral को हिंदी में कहते हैं मौखिक भाषा. Oral language means मौखिक भाषा. So मौखिक भाषा. What मौखिक भाषा? What is the oral language? When we only conversation, it's include only conversation that we say मौखिक भाषा. For example, if you are going on the ground for playing, okay, and you are asking to your friends, "Hi, how are you? कैसे हो?" So this is whatever you are speaking only, whatever you are conversing only, that we call oral language, मौखिक भाषा. And the second type, that is so written language we call in Hindi लिखित भाषा. Written language को हिंदी में कहते हैं लिखित भाषा. लिखित भाषा क्या होती है? What is the written language? Whatever you are writing, you know, if suppose you are writing school classwork notes or homework notes, or you want to give surprise to your parents and you are making the greeting cards and you are writing their names, whatever the writing part you are doing, that is come into the written language. लिखित भाषा. What we call in Hindi लिखित भाषा. So मौखिक भाषा, oral language, and लिखित भाषा, what we are writing, that is written language. So in English, that all the letters come A, B, C, D, that everything comes in Roman lipi. We call for that Roman lipi. The same in Hindi, what we have already learned in grade 1, Kakha Gaga Chacha Jaja, that everything comes in Devanagari lipi. उस लिपि को क्या बोलते हैं? देवनागरी लिपि. But that all letters, what is the letter? The letter means in Hindi we call varna. Letter को हिंदी में कहते हैं वर्ण. The smallest unit of the language is called letter, varna. Whenever you want to say something, yes, and the sound come from your mouth, that is that we use certain symbols, something to write each sound. That symbol is called alphabetic characters. Yes, something we draw. That draw means that is a letters only. And what is alphabet? There are many letters in alphabets in English. Yes, so same thing. There are many letters in Hindi also. Alphabet को हिंदी में कहते हैं वर्णमाला. वर्णमाला means alphabet. The group of letters. It comes vowels and consonants. वर्णमाला में क्या आते हैं? Vowels and consonants आते हैं. So vowels को क्या बोलते हैं? स्वर. And consonants को बोलते हैं व्यंजन. So there are all the letters, many letters in व्यंजन and some letters in स्वर. इंग्लिश में कैसे ए ई आई ओ यू ये जो vowels है, वैसे ही हिंदी में अ से आहा हम लोगों ने जो ग्रेड 1 में वी हैव लर्न जो पढ़ा है उसको हम स्वर कहते हैं. उस लेटर्स को हम स्वर कहते हैं. सो देयर आर टोटल 13 स्वर्स इफ वी काउंट फ्रॉम अ टू आहा. There are 13. But the last two letters, and aha, the which letter we say anuswar, and the last aha, we say visarga for the dots. But if you count from the to aha, that's total 13 vowels, swar. So आज हम स्वर के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. Today we are going to learn only about swar. So before that, I want to ask little bit of questions, okay? Because we have learned in grade 1. Leave करके वापस आई. Okay, so what is I will ask some questions, okay? And I want answer only in chat box, dears. Please don't unmute. You all are children, so I want to give some surprise to you all when some special guest is here to meet you. And he is observing you. You know that? So please, we have to follow the rules. No unmuting. I want answers only in chat box. Yes? If you agree, say yes in chat box, dears. You can type only S. That is also fine. Yeah, super. Wow, lovely class. Yes, thank you so much, dears. So, the first question to all of you, okay? Because we have learned everything in grade 1, very simple question to all of you. What is the first letter of swar? स्वर का पहला अक्षर क्या है? Wow, so fast. Everyone is answering so fast. Superb. Lovely, dears. Lovely. So, स्वर का पहला अक्षर क्या है? अ. स्वर का पहला अक्षर क्या है? अ. Very nice. And the second question now. The second question, and then I'm going to show you a nice surprise. Superb class. They all are following the rules. The second question. What is the last letter of this स्वर? स्वर का आखिरी शब्द क्या है? Last letter. Wow, wonderful. All are giving answers. Superb. And the last letter is aha. What is the last letter? Aha. Superb, dear. Superb. Wow. Now everyone is ready for the surprise? Yes? Okay. So for this surprise, maybe my voice is little bit of low. So make your device voice complete volume with a maximum volume. Okay? Just wait. I want to give you surprise. Yes. I want to tell you one story. Yes, dear. So I want to tell you no robo surprise, something else. some special guest is here. Okay. So I want to give you a nice surprise, and before that, I want to tell you a nice story. Do you know, children? Yesterday I went to garden. It was a very nice garden, fresh garden, and I saw there a very nice rabbits, the white color, fresh, soft rabbit. And I asked that gardener, shall I take this one rabbit? And do you know what the gardener said? The gardener said that the rabbit wants to meet all the good children who always listen to teacher, who is following the class rules. So I said, yes, the class too, and they always listen to teacher. So that one of the rabbit is here to meet you all. Yes, so you want to meet rabbit? Yes? Yeah, rabbit, I'm talking about rabbit. The white color, soft. Do you want to meet? Yes, super. Okay, so we have to follow the rules. Yes? Mute yourself. And now the rabbit is going to meet you. Rabbit, where are you? Come here. I'm here, mom. Hello, friends. How are you? I'm waiting to meet you all. Do you know why? Because your teacher told me you all are very good children and following the rules. Wow, superb. And I want to introduce myself. My name is Chicky. What is my name? Chicky. You can call me Chicky the rabbit. And I want to introduce my friends. I have 13 friends. And do you know they all are independent. They are not taking anyone's help. They all are independent. We can take their help for the many other things, but these all 13 friends are very independent. Ha 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 ha. Now I want to call first friend, but do you know what is the group of my name? My friend's group name is Swar, and we all are 13 members in group. My friend name is Swar. Group name is Swar. And I want to meet you, my first friend. Wait. Yes, children. So, the rabbit wants to meet you, his first friend. Let's meet his first friend. Yes. And where is my first friend? Come here, come here. Hello. Wow. See, children. He is my first friend. And his name is What his name? So, whenever you want to pronounce this, you no need to open your mouth wildly. You have to open your mouth partially and say the first friend of this Swar group. Okay, you can go now. I want to call the next friend. Okay, friends. So, you met now the next friend. The next friend is here. The friend name is The letter name is So for this, you have to open your mouth wildly and say like a naughty boy is making sound. How he shout like that. You have to open your mouth widely and say So in Hindi there is only one no two The first letter is and the second letter is So understand. My first friend name is and the second friend name is And children, I want to meet you some twins friends also. In my group, there are some twin sisters. The first twin sister, we say E. The first twin sister, we say E. दिख रहा है? E. This is a choti E, small E. E. See children, whenever you are looking something, dirty things, how you react? Like E. Yes. So this is a choti E, and for choti E has one big sister. We say for that letter badi E. There is a little difference when you are writing choti E. This is E, and the badi E, you have to give a one curve, half curve on the head of the choti E. So this is choti E, and his big sister, her big sister is badi E. So what is the difference between this E and this E? You have to little bit stretch the sound while pronouncing badi E. So for choti E, it's E, and badi E, it's E.
No, not at all. Ma'am, not at all.
Nadarshan, please mute yourself. Girija ma'am, please mute all and lock all. Yeah, thank you ma'am. Children, please don't unmute. Otherwise, I will be sad and I will go back. So we met 4 friends. How many friends? 4 friends. One is a, second is a, third is E, and the fourth is E. Now again I want to introduce you twin sisters. The is O. What is this? O. This is choti O. Choti means small. This is choti O. Sister of choti O's big sister is badi O, and this is a badi O. So you can see the difference. This is choti O, and badi O you have to give one curve downside from the stomach of the O. Yes, choti O and badi O. So what is the difference between the sound? O and stretch little bit. O. O, choti O. Ooh, badi ooh. So these are again twin sisters. Now, do you know children? I like Rishi Muni. I always follow all their thoughts. They always say very positive things. So I like Rishi. I like Rishi. So now I want to introduce my next friend. Before that, shall we revise everything? Yes. So meet my first friend. And the second friend. Third friend is E. And this is choti E. There are 2 E in Hindi. This is choti E, and this one is badi E. Little bit stretch the letter, sound. O. Choti O, and the big sister, badi O. Stretch the sound, and we met just now, letter Re. Letter Re. Now I want to meet you, my next friend. Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Children, imagine if there is a new child come to your class, okay, and you don't know his name, and teacher is wanted to call him. So how you call him? Because you don't know his name. So sometimes you try A, teacher is calling you A. So this letter is A. The sound is same. A. Which letter is A? And do you know my next friend is looking like same, but little bit of change of sound and looks. See, the new friend of I. And what is the difference? We have to give one balloon up. Whenever we are writing, we have to give one balloon up. But for the matra sign, we have to give two balloons up. That we will see the letter. Okay. So this is A and this one is I. What is the sound? I. And now I want to meet you, my next friend. Yes, where is my next friend? Here, look here. This is the letter O. Which letter is this? O. Letter O. Now, one more letter is looking little bit of same, but a small change. In this letter, you can see the one balloon up with one standing line. And the next letter you can see the two balloons up with one standing line. The letter sound is OW. What is the sound? OW. So this is O and this is OW. This is O and this is OW. Whenever you heard something, you just say the first letter. OW. It's paining. Yes. So like that, this is the sound and the letter is OW. Now the last two letters, very important. This one is See, there is a one small dot here on the head of A. Yes, for that dot we say bindu. What we say? Bindu. Or we can say anuswar. Bindu or anuswar. So whenever the dot come up on the top of the letter, we have to press that letter and pronounce. I pressing the with this dot. Yes. So for this dot, we say bindu or anuswar, anything. And the last letter. Yes, and the last letter is here. The letter is aha. Which is the letter? Aha. So A and these two dots, you can see the two dots we call visarga. So there is no letter begin with aha. Always sound come end of the letter like namaha. Shri Ganeshaya namaha. The sound comes always end of this letter. Aha. And maximum we use this letter in Sanskrit language also. So, these all are my friends, and group of friends we say swar. They all are independent. So children, do you like my friends? I will come again someday. Thank you for listening. Over to your teacher. Yes, dear. So, do you like these swar all the letters? Yes. Any doubts? For the sounds and the letters. If you have doubt, you can ask in chat box. Doubt. Otherwise, I will proceed for the next. No doubts. Okay, good, superb. So, do you like? If you like, just give a thumb or yes. You can write yes. I'm happy that you are listening so quietly. Very good. So, in grade 1, we have learned the same story with one small PPT. So, I'm going to time. Okay, with that PPT, I will revise all these letters again. Just revise these were sounds with a small story what you have already seen in grade 1. The first letter of this word is like a silent shy boy is making sound, because the silent shy boy never open his mouth wildly. Yes, he always open his mouth partially and he try to speak. His name is The first letter is Don't open your mouth widely. And the second letter, a naughty boy making sound and shouting. So open your mouth and say ah. What? Ah, very good. Superb. I hope everyone is doing at your home. Yes. Now, do you know these two boys, they went for a walk one day. They went for a walk and do you know, they saw a very dirty dustbin. And the dirty dustbin, when they saw, they react E. How they react? E. So this is the letter E and the sound is E. Don't stretch little bit. This one is choti E. So the sound is small. We are not stretching this sound. E. Looking like a dusty dustbin and he expressed E. And in that dustbin, they felt like it was a very bad smell. Yes. So they stretched that little bit and they expressed E. What a dirty smell. So how they express E. So this is the big E, badi E. There are two E. One was small E, choti E, and this one is badi E. And they both the children they went to jungle. Jungle means forest. हिंदी में जंगल बोलते हैं फॉरेस्ट को. तो वो दोनों बच्चे कहाँ गए? चलते चलते वो जंगल चले गए. They reached to the jungle and do you know they heard wolf howling sound. Wolf howling sound. How the wolf is howling? Ooh, like that the wolf is howling. But we don't want to stretch that much. Like a baby wolf is howling. Ooh. The sound is ooh and the letter is ooh. This is a choti oo. We say choti oo. So just don't stretch like a wolf. Very small sound. Choti oo, it's oo. And you have to stretch that sound little bit. Not much. You have to say ooh. Choti oo is oo and for the badi oo is ooh. So this is the difference between sounds for oo and oo. Next, the both children went to the ashram. And in that ashram, many Rishimuni was there. And they met Rishimuni. They saw the Rishi was meditating. So the next letter, the action was meditating action. And the letter is Ri. Ri say Rishi. Ri say Rishi. Sometimes the letter makes sound like a Ru also. But maximum time we will use like a Ri. Ri say Rishi. After that, the both boys, after the ashram, they are starting for the home return. And they saw one man is driving scooter with a big basket. And they saw that the basket is going to fall down on the road. And they want to alert that man. So they say, hey, look at your basket. So this is the letter A for alerting person. A, look at the basket. So the letter is A and the sound is A. And the man who was driving that scooter, he saw, but before that, the basket fell down on the road and all the tomatoes spread all over the road and he said, "Aye, what happened this?" So this is the letter is I, which is the letter I. So this one is A. There is only one A in Hindi and this one is I. Very good. And they reached to the home and the parents gave a big surprise. So they were very happy. And how they react? They put both the hands on their cheeks and they surprise and say, "Oh, thank you so much. What a big surprise." So this is the expression for the surprise like O letter and the sound is O. And they went to the playground with that surprise ball. They got a ball in that gift and they went to the playground. And one of that naughty boy got hurt. And when he got hurt, he say, "Ow! It's hurting. Ow!" So this is the letter is ow. The sound is ow. And they forgot his ball on the ground. So the letter is I forgot something. You have to press this letter. And the last letter is aha. The day went so nice. So the letter is aha. So this is about all letters, a small story with the sounds. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Doubt, you can write in chat box. Doubt, I call your name and then you can ask me. Clear? So what is you have to do at home today? See children, I can understand the Hindi is a new language for you all, but you practice every day only for 15 minutes. It will be very better for you, okay? And you will love this language. So every 15 minutes you have to learn Hindi. Okay, so in your rough note, you just practice for these all the letters, swar, what we have learned, or else you just read this letter. Last year book you have, you read this letter. Next period we are going to see how to write. Again we are going to revise writing of these letters. Okay, so now shall I ask some questions? All are ready? Ma'am, we want to write, ma'am. Okay, you want to write? Yes, next session we will write. Yes, we will write for the next session. So no doubts. Okay, very good. So be ready for the giving questions, answers. The first question for all of you. Which letter comes after A? Which letter comes after A? A के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Yes, it's I. A के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? I. Very good. Wow, all of you are giving answers. Superb. Superb children. Lovely. Wonderful. I. Very good. A के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? I आता है. So, next question. Next question. Be ready. Which letter comes before aha? Before aha, which letter comes? aha के पहले कौन सा letter आता है? aha के पहले कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Yes, I'm getting so many answers in chat box. Wow, wonderful dears. The sections is superb. All are very active. Very nice. I will give this message to your class teachers also. Very nice. So aha के पहले कौन सा letter आता है? Very good. Do you remember?
I know this.
क्या बोल रहे थे? नहीं लॉक किया अभी. Okay, so for that, do you remember what we say for that dot, what we are drawing on top of the letter? For the dot, I said something we are calling. Do you remember that? If you remember, you can write in chat box. It will take time to type in spelling, but you just type. Yeah, because you have grown up now. You are going. You are in the grade 2. Wow, and I'm getting so many answers. Superb. We call Bindu. Wow, Bindu. And one more word for that. That is Anuswar. Okay, we call Anuswar also. Very nice. The next question. Which letter come after choti u? Which letter come after छोटी ओ? छोटी ओ के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Yes, superb children, lovely class. बड़ी ऊ. छोटी ऊ के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? बड़ी ऊ. Wow, wonderful. Very nice, very nice. I'm getting so many answers. Very good, dears. So the next question, Ready for the next question? Listen carefully. Which letter come before au? Before au. au के पहले कौन सा अक्षर आता है? au के पहले. Wow, so fast. Superb. You all are very fast. Very nice. I think everyone had a nice breakfast today morning. Yes? So fast. Wow, lovely. So, au के पहले o अक्षर आता है. Yes? au के पहले कौन सा अक्षर आता है? O. Very good. Lovely. Superb. Now, the next question. How many letters in स्वर? स्वर में कितने अक्षर आते हैं? I'm not completing my questions, but the answers are ready. Superb. Lovely, dears. It's 13. Yes? If we count the to aha, it's 13 letters. Very nice. Teraha. Wow. Someone has written in Hindi. Very good. Superb. So the next question. The next question is, which letter come after badi oo? Which letter comes after badi oo? Yeah, I'm getting answers. Superb. Yes, do you remember the story? They went to the ashram, they met some great man we call Rishi, and the letter comes Ri. Very good. Ri, or you can say Ru. Yeah. But maximum time we use Ri. Ri say Rishi. Very good. Superb, dear. Superb. Okay, so the next question. Be ready for the next question. Which letter come after A? A के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Again, I repeat my questions. I think so. Yeah. I. Yes. A के बाद I आता है. Very good. A के बाद क्या आता है? I. Very nice. And next question. Next question is, how many E in swar? There are how many E in swar? Very good. 2. Very good. There are 2 E in swar. And the last question to all of you. And after the last question, we will open our video only. We can see our friends and we can say bye. But before that, the last question, listen. Which letter come after A? A के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? A के बाद, after A, which letter comes? Listen carefully. After letter A, letter which comes? It's E. Yes, choti E. Very good. Choti E. Yeah, superb, superb. Very good, children. I'm really, me and Sadhna ma'am are very happy that you have given so many answers and sitting quietly. Now you can on your video only, and with your action, you can say bye to your friends. Thank you so much. I hope everyone liked today's class. If you are clear with all the letters, you can say yes in chat box. Thank you. Have a nice day. Dhanyavad. You can open your video and you can see your friends.